Zovem se Gabriel Feltz, ja sam Chefdirigent Belgrader Philharmonie.
Belgrade means something special in my life because I was very often here now, fell in love to the city, which is a wonderful place. Kind of a bit nervous in all this work and rush hour and traffic and all these people, but still friendly, and I love this special feeling. And this orchestra is wonderful.
Dobro jutro. Danes je pivo iz smetana, okay? The birth of the river. And this papa means, of course, like little drops. Yeah, okay? Those bada-bada-da-da, pip, bada-bada-bap, in the eye, okay? Little drops, especially for the accents. Bada-bada-bada-bada-bada-bada-ba, bada-bada-bada-ba. Yeah, it's nice, really sweet. Yeah, okay, once again. The orchestra is on a very good standard, on a very good level. They are fresh, energized, motivated. They play with a lot of passion and energy. All the repertoire of classical symphonic music. Always sold out concerts. Great and excited audience. Very good education work for kids and for young people. And for me, it's a great honor to be the new chief. 1, 2, and...
Ako bi trebalo da objasnimo šta je zapravo uloga šefa dirigenta, možda bi ona bila najbliža ulozi trenera u fudbalskom klubu. Tako da što se nas tiče, čini mi se da smo u potpunosti spremni za Ligu šampiona.